What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning and welcome to your Bitcoin update for this week. First one this week. First of all, I hope you all are starting this week off correctly this Monday. And I hope you had a great weekend. I'm actually going to change this light a little bit because it's a little bit bright for me, at least. So yeah, Bitcoin unfortunately started off in a bearish fashion, as you can see. I mean, we're going to be talking about everything, the technicals, the fundamentals, everything you need to know. But you can see that this bearish momentum we had was just too strong. Had a couple of touches off of it, and then yesterday evening it became too much. And apart from that, we also had some bearish fundamentals, which is definitely not something you should forget. That was actually the main fuel behind a move like that. There was some more stability around the DXY. I mean, all the fundamentals for Bitcoin that are important right now are the economic ones. So obviously tomorrow we got the inflation rate and the interest rate. And what you could see starting yesterday evening is that the Dixie opened correctly, It opened it opened good. It opened bullish. So that's why Bitcoin opened bearish, even though Bitcoin doesn't strictly have an opening time. Every Monday night you kind of have the Asia markets opening, and that is what happened. We broke through 17,100 as a support, found support at 16,850, which is still on top of the 382. So technically we are still bullish. Don't forget that. But yeah, so that is all that's going on right now. Basically or at least all the fundamentals. And basically what's going to happen now, I think, is that we found support at 16,850, which is amazing. And we are going to find some more support there, and we'll get up to probably 17,000 to 17,100 again. From there we'll find resistance, because that's quite a strong resistance level that right now we still have to take the break retest off of this trend line and also off of just the normal key level and the EMAs. So we're going to find resistance there, and then the most important part is going to happen, because what's going to happen is that we're going to drop back down to 16,850. If we can then actually hold that another time, I think basically what we'll do is I think we'll consolidate in this area until we get the fundamentals tomorrow, which is the inflation rate, and there. Essentially, I mean, I made a big video on it yesterday, which you can still easily see if you check out the channel. Basically, what's then going to happen? It's at 2:30 in the afternoon. It's basically, if it's lower than expected, we'll do something like this. If it's higher than expected, we'll do something like this. All right. So that's basically, in my opinion, this is the most likely scenario, because what you tend to see in crypto is that the prices become a little bit stale. And they start not moving a lot ahead of these big fundamental events. So we had an opening. Maybe later today we'll still have some moves from the US opening its markets, but I doubt it, to be honest. I don't see any big moves coming, unless, as I said, I mean, we're heading up to 17,000 right now. If we don't find support at 16,850 again, then we'll have a bearish breakout, and then we'll probably start dropping down to 16,500. But it seems unlikely. It hardly ever happens ahead of these fundamental moves that we actually have a big move ahead of them, which is kind of against what is expected to happen, because we are expecting some more bullish news coming from the monetary policy side of the world. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin this morning. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. I'll be back with another update on Bitcoin and Ethereum tomorrow. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. But for now, take care. Have a great day, and bye.